Hello, boys and girls. It's sign language time with Auntie Deserie. Today we will go on a little nature walk. All right? So our first sign is weather. Weather. Using the both W hands, you twist them back and forth. Weather. And then we have rainbow. We sign colors and we make a little arch. Think about the shape of the rainbow. And the rainbow has lots of colors, right? Rainbow. And then we have river. Who likes to bathe in the river? I do. River. And then we have waterfall. Waterfall. Look over there. Is that Concord Waterfall? Oh, yes. Waterfall. So let's go back. We have weather, rainbow, river, waterfall. Wonderful. Our next sign is sea. We use both S hands and we pretend as if we're making the waves of the sea. Sea. And then we have forest. Forest begins with the letter F and it has a lot of trees, right? So we wiggle the trees on the side. Forest. Forest. And our last sign is lake. Lake begins with the letter L, so we use both L hands and we wiggle it for the water, right? Lake. So we have sea, forest, and lake. All right, so let's review, and I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. Weather. Weather. Rainbow. Rainbow. River. River. Waterfall. Waterfall. Sea. Sea. Forest. Forest. And the last sign was, yes, that's right, lake. Lake. Great job. That's all for today. And I'll see you next time. Remember to stay safe. Bye-bye.
Remember, wear a mask. Stay safe. Bye-bye.